Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a little bit of a cold and I completely lost my voice, so I sound a little scratchy and it's a little bit later on at night, so I am pretty tired. So I am just going to show you guys my nighttime cleaning routine. If you guys did not see, I posted a morning cleaning routine, so what I do every morning, and then this is part 2 for what I do every night, just to keep my home clean and tidy, and just a few things to make my day run smoother. Honestly, it's just so things don't pile up and then I have to spend all day in all of that cleaning. So part 3 of this video you will see coming up soon will be my daily cleaning routine. So like my Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday cleaning routine. So I already have a Sunday reset video up on my channel if you go back a little ways, but I am gonna update it because I've changed a few things in my routine. But if you guys want, you can check out that video as well until I post another one a little bit down the road. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so first things first, I just need to clean up all of the dinner dishes. I just get the dishwasher loaded and clean out the sink a little bit, wash any dishes like the pots and pans that we used and cutting boards and all of that stuff that needs to get hand washed, and then just wipe everything down, because even though I keep up on it all day, like after every meal and snack I try to wipe things down, but it's just always after dinner the counters are just a disaster. I don't know why. There's like crumbs and all sorts of stuff. So I give everything a good cleaning so that way it is fresh and clean for the morning. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but it feels so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 On this night, I had just cooked a chicken dish and it had splattered and kind of went all over the stove and dried up. So it needed a little bit more of a deep cleaning. So I'm just using the glass stovetop cleaner and rubbing it all in. And then I just let it sit there for a little bit and then scrape up all of the stuff that kind of got dried on from cooking dinner. And then I just wipe it all down with a little bit of my thieves cleaner. Maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. Now I am just going into the dining room, getting the table wiped down from all of the millions of drawings my kids do every day. As you see behind you, that container is where we keep all of the crafts and the drawings and the pens and paper, and it was just like overflowing. So you just get the table wiped down from dinner, all the crumbs and all of that, and now we are just going into vacuum the whole house. So just a quick vacuum. I do the kitchen, the living room, and then I do go in and do all of the bedrooms as well.
Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle.
It wouldn't be a cleaning video, or especially a nighttime cleaning video, if the bathroom wasn't a mess and covered in toothpaste. So I'm just going to get that all wiped down, just like a quick cleaning. I don't deep clean it. And then depending on the night, if the toilet needs a cleaning with like a Clorox wand, I will do that real quick, but just a quick surface clean just to wipe down all the toothpaste and just make sure everything is cleaned out.
Don't be afraid, we'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do, let's break away. All colors will fade, let's go our own way. Now's the time to decide what to do, and I'll stand by you.
And the last two things that we are going to do, we are just going to empty all of the trashes from the bathroom into the kitchen trash, and then get that put downstairs in the recycling, well, not the recycling, but in the trash can. And then we are going to start a load of laundry. So it's really not a long cleaning routine, and just kind of the basics to make sure you are set up for success for the next day.
The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away. Don't be afraid. We'll be okay. And I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way.
And that is it for this cleaning video. It is 8 o'clock at night. I start after dinner, and then obviously like I hang out with the kids and put them to bed and do all of that, so it's not like a continuous thing. But the little laundry's in, the dishwasher's going, the floors are cleaned, the kids' bedrooms are cleaned up, the bathroom, the toothpaste mess saga continues, but I don't know how to stop them from doing it. I literally cleaned it up off after the clip that I showed you guys. I found a bunch of toothpaste on the wall, like near the toilet. I don't understand how they do it, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on part 3. And I will have the first video to this series linked down below as well, so make sure you check that out. I would love if you guys liked this video for you to comment down below and also subscribe. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!